Our last adverbs today are used in a very specific way. To demonstrate, check out this sentence. She was more nice than us. Ella era más buena que nosotros. In this sentence, the word más is being used specifically to modify the word buena. In these contexts, this word is actually functioning as an adverb, specifically an adverb to describe how much something is or isn't true. Now let's modify this sentence using a new word. She was very nice. Ella era muy buena. So our new word is muy, and it means very, pretty much the same way that very is used in English. This adverb is always used before an adjective or another adverb. Also note that English speakers have a tendency to mispronounce this word. In English, we have a lot of words that are pronounced with an oi sound, such as boy, toy, and joy. But this word is not pronounced moi. It's muy. Think of mooing like a cow, and you'll pronounce it correctly. Muy. And again, just like in English, in Spanish you can't really use the word very by itself. Instead, you put a descriptor right after it. Something can be very tall, very strange, very nice, and so on. So for example, to say, you are being very good, you would say, estás siendo muy bueno. See if you can predict how to say, we are very well.
Estamos muy bien.
Actually, muy bien, or very well, is actually one of the most common two-word combinations in Spanish. So be prepared to hear and use muy bien all the time. But a tricky adverb to learn is the word tan, spelled T-A-N. This word roughly means so, but not exactly. It's specifically used right before another descriptive word, kind of like muy is. So compare the following examples.
La casa es muy buena. La casa es tan buena que...
Okay, so that second one isn't a complete sentence. We left you hanging there. But basically, the first one means the house is very good. But the second one means the house is so good that... So that's how tan is used. Most of the time, it's translated into English as so. But here's what's confusing. Sometimes it's translated as. So in English, we say, as good as that one. But whenever this is translated into Spanish, you instead literally say, so good as that one. Here's another example. See if you can tell what's being said.
Ella estaba tan bien como él.
This is, she was as well as he. So basically, tan is used in sort of a comparative way. Let's practice this a bit, and we'll start with an incomplete example. This was so good that...
Esto era tan bueno que...
They have done it so badly.
Lo han hecho tan mal.
She is so unwell that she is leaving. Ella está tan mal que se va.